If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a comment and click like. Follow me for more videos. So far, you've probably learned how to graph linear equations in slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, and standard form, ax plus by equals c. But how would you find the equation if you only had the graph? First, look at the graph. Really look at the graph. Can you tell where it crosses the y-axis? If so, that's your y-intercept. The b in y equals mx plus b. Now we just have to find the slope, which is m. There are a couple of ways we can do this, but it's easiest if we can find 2 points on the line that have easy-to-see coordinates. We already have one coordinate, 0, 4. For our other coordinate, let's choose 5, 5. Start with the coordinate on the left. Count up or down and over to get to the coordinate on the right. The number of squares you go up or down is the top number of your slope. The number of squares you go over is the bottom number of your slope. If we start with 0, 4, we have to go up 1 and over 5 to get to the other point. This means our slope is 1 over 5, or 1/5. Now that we have the slope, m, and the y-intercept, b, we can use the slope-intercept form to write our equation as y equals 1/5 x plus 4. Let's try another example. For this graph, we see that the line crosses the y-axis at 0, 3. That means our b is 3. For the other coordinate, we can use 4, 1. If we start with the left coordinate, 0, 3, we can go down 2 and over 4 to get to the right coordinate, 4, 1. Since we went down instead of up, our numerator will be negative. This means our slope will be negative 2 over 4. Negative 2 over 4 can be simplified to get negative 1/2. Now, replace the m with negative 1/2 and the b with 3 to get the equation for this line. Y equals negative 1/2 x plus 3. But what if you can't tell where the line crosses the y-axis? For this graph, it's hard to tell exactly what coordinate to use for the y-intercept. First, go ahead and choose 2 coordinates to find the slope. For this line, we will choose negative 1, 3, and 2, 4. If we start with the left, we will go up 1 and over 3 to get a slope of 1/3. Even though we don't have a b, we can still use y equals mx plus b to find the equation. We just have to choose one of our coordinates and use the x and y to find the b. It sounds way more complicated than it really is. Watch. You can use whichever coordinate you want. I'm going to choose 2, 4. As you know, the first number of a coordinate is the x value. The second number is the y value. We can take our x value of 2 and our y value of 4 and put them into the y equals mx plus b with the slope. This gives us 4 equals 1/3 times 2 plus b. Now simplify. 1/3 times 2 is 2/3. If we subtract this from 4, we will get b equals 3 and 1/3, or 10 over 3. So b is 10 over 3. We have m, we have b. That means we have the equation for the line. Y equals 1/3 x plus 10/3. Finding the equation of a line from a graph doesn't have to be difficult. Take it step by step. Find the y-intercept, b, and the slope, m. Then use y equals mx plus b.